Quantum mechanics, the science of the tiny, the weird, and the completely mind-melting. It's the reason your phone works, why particles can teleport, and why physicists have existential crises daily. Buckle up because I'm about to explain quantum mechanics in just 2 minutes. And yes, it's going to get weird. In the normal world, things make sense. A baseball follows a clear path, your toast lands butter side down most of the time, and your cat exists in one place at a time. But in the quantum world, nope. Particles exist everywhere at once, time gets weird, and reality is basically just a suggestion. Let's talk superposition. A quantum particle doesn't just sit in one spot, it exists in all possible spots until you look at it. Imagine you're deciding whether to stay in or go out, and until you actually pick, you're both partying and in bed watching Netflix. That's quantum superposition, and yes, it's as insane as it sounds. Now, here's where things get even weirder: entanglement. Two particles can become linked, so no matter how far apart they are, what happens to one instantly affects the other. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, which is scientist speak, for this makes no sense. It's basically quantum texting, instant, unlimited range, and no Wi-Fi needed. Ever tried to measure something but the act of measuring it changes it? Welcome to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. In the quantum world, you can't know both a particle's position and speed at the same time. The more you pin down where it is, the less you know about where it's going. So next time you don't know what you're doing with your life, just say you're quantum uncertain. Ever seen a locked door and thought, what if I could just walk through it? Quantum particles actually do that. It's called quantum tunneling, and it lets particles pass through barriers like ghosts. This is why stars shine and why scientists can't sleep at night. So why should you care? Well, without quantum mechanics, we wouldn't have computers, lasers, GPS, or MRI machines. Basically, no internet, no cat videos, no memes. That's right, quantum physics is the reason you can procrastinate on YouTube. The future? Even crazier. Quantum computers could solve problems in seconds that would take normal computers longer than the age of the universe. Think sci-fi level tech, unbreakable encryption, teleportation experiments, maybe even parallel universes. We don't fully know yet, because, well, quantum mechanics is confusing. And that, my friends, is quantum mechanics. Tiny particles doing mind-bending things that make scientists question reality. If you enjoyed this brain-melting ride, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the weirdest quantum fact that blows your mind? Until next time, stay curious, and remember, reality is optional.